Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. State level committee on RP meets Archbishop, explains plan to the church. Church in favor of rectification, not scrapping. Government fails to honor Goan soldier who participated in Operation Vijay, refuses Namdev Ugvekar entry at Liberation Day function, dishonors him publicly. Controversial Sunburn Party 2011 publicized without government's permission, government authorities left puzzled. The doomsday predicted by Mayan calendar exactly a year away. We ask Goans whether they believe in the theory of apocalypse. And Pune Football Club shocked Churchill brothers. 2-0 defeat of Churchill means Dempo Sports Club could reclaim top spot with victory over Sporting. Now the news in detail. State level committee on RP 2021 had a meeting with Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrão and other church officials on Wednesday. SLC made a presentation on RP and assured rectification of the plan as per the inputs from public and panchayats. SLC has assured to do away with the discrepancies from the plan. Sources say the church is of the opinion that the plan can go ahead with necessary rectifications.
Highly placed sources have informed that the state-level committee on RP met Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrão. State-level committee made a presentation on RP 2021 to the church. SLC has explained the church about beneficial aspects of RP and assured them to rectify the plan. Father Maverick and other church officials were also present with the Archbishop. Most importantly, sources say that church might take a soft stand if RP is rectified.
Nothing has changed. We stand with what we have said earlier. They should decide it. We are not accepting this plan as it is.
Okay,
The church has not changed its stand. It will never change because it is not that we didn't know what information was provided by the SLC to us.
okay.
Our team had studied all that information was already available to us. We were conversant of all that information. After having studied all that, that is only we even delayed in submitting our submission to the government. No?
Yeah.
So all information provided by the SLC today was nothing new to us. We were already we had already comprehended that information.
Okay.
Charles Correa has suggested that 3 officers should be appointed to follow up the inputs and recommendations given by people on RP. Sources have informed that church is in favor of Correa's suggestion. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Nayak Namdev Ugvekar, member of Operation Vijay and son of the soil, was deprived of honor during state's Golden Jubilee celebration at Kala Academy. Nayak Namdev was present at Kala Academy on 19 December, but he was not allowed to enter the function venue. He was not felicitated nor honored. Instead, he was insulted publicly.
Namdev Ugvekar resides at Menkure Bicholim. He has served Maratha battalion for 20 years. He was holding the post of Nayak. Namdev Ugvekar's posting was at Daman and Diu during Operation Vijay in 1961. Goa government felicitated the soldiers who had participated in the Operation Vijay on this 19 December but forgot to honor its own son of the soil. Nayak Namdev Ugvekar is very upset with this fact. Presently, the army man is 72 years old and is suffering from paralysis attack.
सन्मान मिळत नाही म्हणजे आमचं की आम्हाला का देऊ ना इन्व्हिटेशन कार्ड कशाबद्दल देऊ ना कोणी देऊचा गोवा सरकारान दाब देऊची गोवा सरकारान आम्हाला कळलं पाहिजे ना गोवा हे येते म्हणून तर त्यावेळी आम्ही एसटी म्हणून गोवामध्ये आम्ही ऑपरेशन एरियात आम्ही होतो आम्ही मेलो होतो तर इथं आलो नसतो मेलो होतो तर गेलो असतो वर.
When Namdev was in the army, he fought wars with China, Bangladesh and Pakistan. Look at his medals. This is the proof of his valor and bravery. These medals are proof of his bravado during Operation Vijay, Indian Army's clash with Portuguese regime. Now what more proof does the government require? Despite of his ailment, Namdev went to Kala Academy on the Liberation Day but was denied entry in Kala Academy as he did not have any invitation.
कला मी गेलो होतो आम्हाला हे कार्डच नाही ना कार्ड नाही म्हणजे जाऊन काय उपयोग कसं काय गोष्ट झाली आमची. जायला नाही दिलं जायला दिलं म्हणतो आम्ही कशाला जायचं असं खबर केली. ते बाहेर ठेवणं म्हणजे असं की कोणाचं कोणा काय खबर नाही ना त्याने केलं कार्यवाही अशी परंतु आमका कोण विचारता म्हणतो का आम्ही घरा गेलो.
Goa Rajya Sainik Board has shrugged off its shoulder on this issue. They claim that they have asked for the information of battalions participated in the Operation Vijay. Goa Rajya Sainik Board has said that Delhi Army headquarters have not furnished Maratha battalion's information. The medals earned by Namdev Ugwekar and record of his battalion posting can't be fake. But the fact remains that Goa government forgot to recognize its own son of the soil on its Golden Jubilee Liberation Day. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Goa government has not permitted Sunburn Party 2011 on Kandoli beach. Chief Secretary of Goa Sanjay Srivastav said that the authorities have not given any permission to the organizers. Sunburn Party is scheduled between 27th to 29th of this month. Srivastav was surprised to see advertisements in the media.
Sunburn Festival 2011 advertisements are in full swing everywhere and online ticketing has begun. Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav said that organizers have not been granted the permission by the state authorities. He said that he will inquire into the matter as they are advertising through national media and booking has also been started.
सनबर्न को परमिशन दिया है?
नहीं अभी तो नहीं दिया.
हाँ तो फिर उनका ऑनलाइन टिकट कैसे चल? इट्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट 3,44,000 each. The tickets here with huge liquor and all. So
Government has not given any permission.
so any permission has been given for Sunburn?
नहीं. Sir, they are
For no liquor, nothing.
all national media everywhere, sir.
Yeah, what is that?
Have Sunburn wale, sir.
I'll
Without permission.
So no liquor permission has been given to them?
no permission is given, right? Nothing.
So
The festival had hit similar controversy last year when the state home minister Ravi Naik had claimed that the organizers were yet to take the permissions. However, the party got through after organizers managed to get all the clearances. Sunburn 2011 will be the 5th edition of this festival in Goa. Chief Secretary was talking on the sidelines of the Goa Police Golden Jubilee Raising Parade at Police Headquarters in Panji on Wednesday. Srivastav, along with Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, DGP Goa Police Dr. Aditya Arya was present at the parade. The parade was followed by a band show, anti-terrorist demonstrations by Goa Police commandos and a dog show. Chief Minister said that Goa Police performance in last 50 years has been remarkable. CM feels that Goa is the safest state.
I understand that the proposal for some additional staff has been put up. I am looking into it and we will see that whatever staff is required, whether it is for PCR vans or for ATS, will be made available. If not entire staff, at least in phases we will make it available.
A reporter Basuri Desai with video journalist Sarvesh Viruskar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.